Welcome to leokidzplanet.
Hi kids, let's learn vegetables. Hey little buddies, I'm Carrot, your crunchy orange friend. Munch on me for superhero vision and a tasty snack. Hey kids, I'm Brinjal, the purple powerhouse. You can call me as eggplant too. Hey there, I'm Cabbage, the leafy giant. Roll me up for crunchy wraps or shred me into salads for a healthy twist. Hey future chefs, I'm Tomato, the juicy star. Eat me for a healthy heart and glowing skin. Hello little scientists, I'm Cauliflower, the white wonder. Experiment with me in the kitchen and discover endless tasty possibilities. Hi little buddies, I'm Broccoli, the tiny tree. Munch on me and you will grow strong and tall like your favorite superheroes. Hi little gardeners, I'm Peas, the tiny green powerhouse. Pop us in your mouth for a burst of protein and energy. Hi little artists, I'm Beetroot, the vibrant palette. Eat me to paint your plate with health and add a splash of color to your day. Hello kids, I'm Pumpkin, the orange giant. Enjoy me in pies, soups and curries for a dose of vitamins and yumminess. Hey adventurous eaters, I'm Bitter God, the slightly bitter hero. Stir fry me with spices for taste adventure. Hello cool kids, I'm Bottle God, the long slender friend. Soup me, stir fry me or add me to curries for a light and tasty treat. Hello little chefs, I'm Onion, the tear-inducing hero. Chop me up for flavor in your dishes and become a kitchen wizard. Hey there, I'm Potato, your starchy buddy. Mash me, fry me or bake me. Let's create tasty magic together. Hi brave ones, I'm Garlic, the tiny powerhouse. Eat me to stay strong and keep the monsters, the bacteria away. Hi hydrators, I'm Cucumber, the cool and crisp buddy. Slice me for snacks or add me to salads. Stay hydrated. Hey there, I'm Corn, your golden snack. Munch on me for a burst of sweetness and energy. Popping with fun. Hello flavor explorers, I am Ginger, the zesty root. Grate me, chop me or brew me into tea. Let's spice things up. Hey kids, I'm Radish, the spicy root. Include me in your salads for a zesty kick and a crunchy adventure. Hey there, color enthusiasts. I'm Capsicum, the colorful wonder. Add me to your plate for a pop of color, crunch and a boost of vitamin C. Hey kids, colorful veggies are like magic on your plate. Try a rainbow every day for a healthy adventure. Crunchy carrots, leafy greens and juicy tomatoes and all the vegetables make you strong, smart and super happy. Like, share and subscribe to Leo Kids Planet.